Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Doordash app and signing in so the app shows your current payment methods. Once done, tap Account at the bottom right and choose Payments to view stored methods. You need to locate Apple Pay specifically. Doordash may list it as a toggle or as a card entry. This initial view tells you whether Apple Pay is linked via the app or routed from your iPhone wallet, which determines the next removal steps. You now remove Apple Pay depending on how Doordash shows it. If there's an Apple Pay toggle, switch it off and confirm removal. This detaches the option immediately. If Apple Pay appears as a listed card, tap it and choose Remove or the trash icon. Follow prompts. If Doordash won't let you remove it, make sure to go to your iPhone wallet and remove the underlying card or disable Apple Pay for the app. That forces Doordash to drop. You finish by opening the iPhone wallet when Doordash won't remove Apple Pay directly. Remove the card tied to Apple Pay or disable Apple Pay so Doordash can no longer access it. Once done, restart the Doordash app and recheck payments to confirm Apple Pay is gone. If it still appears, sign out and back in, update or reinstall the app. These steps clear cached settings. If problems continue, remove the card from wallet temporarily and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.